guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Cook with Fareeha, and in this video we are making Sabut Masoor Dal. It is very yummy, so let's get started. 2 cups Sabut Masoor Dal, which is already boiled. Okay, it's water, 2 glasses of water. Now we are adding spices. 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Okay, salt 1 tablespoon. Garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Already boiled my rice. This is a normal recipe, but I'm making it in my style. Green chili paste 2 tablespoon. Now we have to cover it. Okay, it's boiling. Okay, now we are boiling it. And now we need tamarind pulp. It's 1 cup. Okay, now we have to blend it. Okay, with this wooden spoon we have to blend it. Okay, we'll add coriander leaves and some green chilies. Okay, mix it. It's smelling good. Wow, what a smell. I love this smell. Became thicker. We have to make tadka. Okay, come on. Okay, now we have to prepare tadka. Oil, half cup oil. Now we need 7 to 8 cloves chopped garlic. Okay, now we need red and green chilies, curry leaf. Okay, you can see yummy smell until it's golden brown. Okay, now we need cumin. 1 tablespoon cumin. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now we have to put this into the lentil. Okay, we are putting it into it and cover it. Making mint sauce, means podine ki chutney. It's mint, and now we need 7 to 8 green chilies. Now we need tamarind pulp, half cup. Okay. We have cumin, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon cumin. Salt, 1 tablespoon. Grind it and it's ready. Now we are making potato chips, slims. You should have to cut it into thin slices which make it crispy. Okay, like this. We are putting into the fry pan. Okay, we are frying it on the normal flame. Now we need salt, 1 pinch. Okay, salt, sprinkle it, and it's golden brown. You can look it. Okay, now it's time to take it out. Okay, now we need chaat masala, 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Okay, it's ready. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give me thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Subscribe, you'll get my videos free. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.